For me, passion and profession are on the same thing. Like, I think it is very wrong that we differentiate that, your passion has to be different, your profession has to be different. That's why we have engineers who are sitting on the engineering table, but they're not interested to be an engineer. They go and they sing in a evening. They go to a concert and they sing better.
Yeah.
They're a better artist. So this whole diversion between passion and profession shouldn't be happening, first of all. So for me, I'm not like, I took up my passion. I realized acting, like performing basically. It's not only about acting, it's even Bharathanatiyam or talking basically. Or I did dubbing for a few years for a cartoon channel.
Oh,
So anything, basically performing, basically being artistic.
okay. Yeah.
Like nothing to do with science or commerce or
Analytical
anything.
stuff and
Yeah, yeah, it's more like whatever skills I have. I was always keen about it. I was passionate about it, and I made it my profession. So that's what I did it.